Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have another Amazon find for you here at Curiosity Cafe. We're always looking for values on the internet. This one right here is awesome. This is a retractable hose. This particular one goes 130 feet. This is a huge retractable hose, and I've always wanted one of those, mainly because we have a garden that is really far out there. It's about 65, 70 feet away. And if you were to get a normal hose like the one I have back here, it takes a lot of muscle to reel that one up. It gets twisted all the time when you have a long hose. So having a retractable option is awesome. So I wanted to share this with you. I'll put links to this down in the description section. I'm gonna talk a little bit about it, just some of the things I noticed. I'm also gonna show you in today's video how I have it mounted, or how I'm going to mount it, and kind of show you the process with that. Because if you are looking for a retractable hose, you really have to mount it. So where do you mount it? Do you mount it to a deck? Well, I don't have a deck. Do you mount it to the house? Well, I don't want to do that. So the option I'm going to show today will cover all of that. Let's go. All right, so like I mentioned, this one right here was found on Amazon, and the price on this thing at the time of this video, now prices obviously can change here and there, especially with tariffs and all that going on, but this particular one was $139. That was my total cost. Just to put that into perspective, the hose I have right now alone, without even the windy thing or anything, was over $100. So that alone is awesome because this comes with the hose and it is already wound in here in the retractable belt right here. So it's pretty cool. As far as how do you mount this, well, it comes with a couple things. It comes with a little diagram, and then you mount this. It comes with all the screws, everything you need to mount it. You can mount it to a deck, you can mount it to your house. What I'm gonna do in today's video is a little bit different because I don't wanna do either of those. So what I'm gonna do is I got one of these, and this thing right here was about $10. And what this is this is going to spike into the ground. I'm gonna mallet, pound it down, all the way down, and then I'm gonna do a 4x4 which fits into that, which I have right here. I have an 8-footer. I'm obviously gonna cut it down. I'm probably gonna put it about maybe 4 foot tall, and then I'm going to mount this right onto it, and then this slides right onto that. What's cool about this is it's actually rotatable. So when it goes into here, it can rotate. So we can face it towards our garden, we can face it towards our driveway where our vehicles are, where we can wash our cars. All that can be done really easily with this swivel mount. And again, this comes with this. This is all included, guys. You get the hose, you get the reel, you get the mount, everything. What you don't get is how you mount it. So I'm gonna use this. This was $10. That 4x4 was about $8. That's treated wood, so it'll be good in all weather. A couple things you will need also in addition to that, you're gonna need some sort of a mallet. I'll probably use this one. I wish I had a big sledgehammer kind because it would be a lot easier to get it in the ground, but I don't, so I'm gonna go with what I have. And then a level. You want it to be level. That's just me. I like everything to be perfect, symmetrical, all that stuff. So I want it to be perfectly level. So as I'm hammering it down into the ground, I want it to be completely level. So when I put the post in, it's gonna look good all the time. And I'm really excited to do this, guys. I've been wanting to do one of these for a very long time, and for under $20, I can set everything up. And then for $139, I can get a retractable hose. This is gonna make gardening so much easier for my wife. She's having to drag that hose back. She's the one that has to drag the hose out and pull it back in, drag it back. So she usually just leaves it out there and I have to reel it up for her. So this is gonna save my shoulder, my back, all of that, and it's gonna save hers as well. So this alone will pay for itself in medical bills. Retractable hose is the way to go. I have not tested this particular brand, but I know the ones I've looked at were double the price, so I thought this would be an amazing value. It's a 1/2-inch hose, so it's a pretty good size hose as well, not a really small one. I think they have a smaller hose and a smaller unit available for a little cheaper on their website, but I'll put links to this down in the description section. But without wasting any time, let's go ahead and do the quick setup. I'll do it in time lapse for you, and then I'll give you my final thoughts and show you in action, see what kind of pressure we get out of this, all of that in today's video. Oh, before I let you go, it does come with a little sprayer too with all different nozzles. Kind of cool. I like that. I like that they included everything that you need to go and just have some fun with your hose. Let's set it up. So there it is, retractable hose or a wind-up hose. Which one is best for you? Just so you know, in all full transparency, the value of this at $139 was actually less than this one was. This was the hose alone was 100 because it's a 100-foot hose. It's a very expensive hose. And then the wind-up unit was $75. This one was $139, and that's with everything. But then if you add things like the pole and the little mount here, you don't have to do that. That's just a little anchor. That's what I chose to do. You could anchor it to your house. It does come with screws and anchors and all that, or you could put it on your deck, which is what a lot of people will do. But I don't have a deck here. So this is really my best option. I don't want to drill it into my house. So I did this pole here. It was a really easy setup. If you don't have the tools to cut your 4x4, all you have to do is go to a place like Home Depot and you just ask them for dimensions. I actually decided to go with the 3-foot high instead of the 4, so I did adjust that a little bit just because I didn't want it up so high. I thought this was a good height. And I love the swivel because if I'm washing my car over here, or if I'm going out to that garden you saw way out there, the garden's really far away. It is a very significant distance, and that's why we needed such a big hose. And the fact that this already comes with that big hose, huge bonus. I have no complaints at all. It wound up really good. One cool thing about this that I did not know about was that when you pull it, you could let it go and it will wind itself. I felt like I had to hold on to it, so I'm kind of jogging behind it and it's pulling me along because it winds itself back up. So tired of stepping on this and trying to wind it. Sore shoulder. This thing's very heavy. So it is really nice to be able to have a retractable hose, and it was very affordable. Like I said, this unit was $139 right now. Normally it's $149, so it's $10 off right now on Amazon at the price, at the time of this video at least. Got this at Menards, you could get it at Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever you have close to you, and do the same exact thing I did here really easy. Guys, let me know what you think. Comment down below. I'm always looking for Amazon finds. If you guys out there see a product that's on sale that you think is just awesome for the value, let me know and I'll do a video on it. Thanks again, everybody. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do us a favor, just hit that thumbs up right down below this video. Share this video with those that you think would like this as well, and don't forget to subscribe. We have tons of videos on this channel just like this, so make sure you check those out as well. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.